Hello my friends, this is the first video I'm making this year of my pond to show you what it looks like this year. I'm sorry, but it's raining as usual, so I can only show you what it looks like. There is much vegetation because of the rain that falls every day. And besides, this year I almost never see frogs in it because I don't know, perhaps it's too cold for them, but every day I come to have a look at it and I never see frogs. Perhaps they are too cold, or I don't know. I only see tritons. So you see, there are a lot of raspberry trees here, but all the raspberries here are like rotten, probably because of the weather. I don't know. So you see the pond is almost totally full as it rains every day. I have put my beautiful boots on and my anorak because, oh my god, I'm so sick of the weather, you have no idea. So the positive is that my pond is it's lovely, but it would be lovely too with sun. I'm so sick of that. And here is the thing I had made for the natterjack toad, but also him I haven't seen him back, so I don't know. It has been raining for hours today. It's horrible. Oh, bye bye.